So let's see how we can convert radians to degrees. So there's just one thing we need to understand, and then we can do all of these calculations. So you know how we have a plane, right? So on the plane, this is 90 degrees. Then let's use a different color. So if you go this much, right, this is 90 degrees. If you go even more, that's 180 degrees. Because you know a straight line is just say 180 degrees. Okay? And then if we go even more, you're adding each 90 each time. You get 270. In other words, if we draw it like this, you know, if we have an angle like this, we're going to make an angle like this, and then like this. We're not reading it, we read it from this way, so we see this angle is 270, right? And then, of course, we know a full circle has 360 degrees. So it turns out all of these degree measurements also have radian measurements. It's just another way of measuring angles. Just like, you know, you have centimeter and you have meter, right? So there's an easy way to convert, right? That's all it is. It's just a centimeter to meter kind of thing. Okay, so let's look at how this works. So what's the conversion factor? It's 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Okay, and we're going to do a lot of examples so you will definitely understand. Why is it not like 1 degree to radian? No, don't worry, just use this one, it's easy to remember. Pi radians, 180 degrees. Okay, let's convert 1.6 radians to degrees. So how do we do this? First we just write our conversion factor. Pi radians equals 180 degrees, okay? We don't have to put that, we can just put like the degree symbol. Okay, so we just write it like this. Then we put our 1.6 radians under wherever it says radians. So we don't put it on this side, we put it on this side, so we put 1.6 radians. Right? And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna say we don't know the degrees, so x degrees, okay? Whatever we cannot fill, we just say x. So we can make it just another color, we can say x degrees. So now what we're going to do, we're going to cross multiply. So we get pi x, we get pi x. When we cross multiply just like this. So we're going to multiply this with this. And we get pi x. We're not going to look at the units, we just look at the value. So pi x, and then we cross multiply this, 180 with 1.6. 180 times 1.6, what is that? Let me get a calculator. So it's just 180 times 1.6. 180 times 1.6 is 288, okay? 288. And if you don't have a calculator, you could just write that by hand, but okay, so now we need x, so we just divide by pi, and it turns out that that's it. I told you it's easy. It's easy. It's 288 divided by pi. So we're gonna say convert 1.6 radians. We're gonna say this one is degrees. Okay, that's our answer. That's how simple. Now let's just do a couple more examples, like the backwards way, like degrees to radians, radians to degrees, all of that. So remember, this is just our rule. We just have to remember 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. On a circle or on a line, this is 180 degrees, or degrees, this is degree symbol, or pi radians. Okay? On a circle, you know, if we cut it into 4 slices, you got 90 degrees here, 90, this is pi over 2. Because this is pi, right, and this is 180. This guy is pi and 180. So if we take this pi and divide by 2, is 90. And of course the full circle is 2 pi, because the full circle is 360 degrees, and 360 degrees is 2 pi, because 1 pi is 180, 2 pi is 360. Okay, let's just do a couple of examples. So this is the rule we remember. Only one thing we have to remember, nothing else. And okay, let's look at examples. So 212 degrees. Convert 212 degrees. So 2 radians. So how do we do this? So we just write down what we have, 212 degrees, and we write what we know. So we write the information. Okay, first we write down the conversion factor. That's easier that way. So 180 degrees equals pi radians. Now, based on what they gave us 212 degrees. We're not gonna put it here. We're gonna put it here because it's gonna align with our degrees. So we're at 212 degrees, and we don't know how many radians is this. So we're gonna say x radian. So again, we're just gonna cross multiply. Grab this pi. Grab this 212. Multiply 212 pi equals, what is it? 180. Grab the 180. Grab the x. 180x. We have to solve for x. X will be, divide this guy by 180. You don't even have to write it out like that, because whenever you have pi, like, sometimes you don't have, this can be your final answer. But if it wasn't, you would just type this in your calculator. So that's how we could, and this would be in radians. That's how we convert radians to degrees.